Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing the Beautyfix subscription box. This is for December 2021, and this is a monthly subscription box that I get from the Dermstore. A couple little dents here and there, but otherwise it's still pretty solid. I have not opened it up yet. Still sealed there, so I'm going to open it up and see what we have in here. And what I like about this box is that it is mostly skincare. It is, once in a while they have like a mascara or lipstick, something like that, but in my subscription, or at least what I'm looking for, is mostly skincare. Sometimes there's hair care products, and I know there's subscription boxes out there that do have that cater more towards makeup, but that's not really what I'm looking for. I'm looking more for skincare products. So let's see what we have here. And usually there's one full-size product, and mostly the others are samples. So let's take a look and see. So there is this. Let's see if I can get it to see. So Evercom Global Protection Day Cream for sensitive skin. It's half an ounce from Evercom. It says here Ren. Let me see if I can get that to focus again. There we go. So there's that. So that I'm sure is pretty much a sample size. And then we also have this. This says Neostrata Skin Active, and it says repair, and it's an intensive eye therapy, so that's kind of nice. And again, 0.17 ounces, so that's a sample there. Let's see what this is. This looks like it says Sente Dermal Contour Pressed Serum, compact, 10 milliliters or 0.33 fluid ounces. Okay, so this you would just go ahead and press. Okay, there we go. Doesn't really have a scent, so that's nice. Sometimes things are overpowering. Probably should see, these might be, sometimes they're already sealed. Yeah, so this one's sealed, so I'm not going to open that for now. And then this one, let's take a look. This one's not sealed, so there's some of that. This too doesn't really have a scent, so it's unscented. So there's those. And then there is this. It says Babor Hydration Ampule Concentrates, Perfect Glow. So it says it has 7 ampules in there. Let's see. Open it up here. And I've been subscribing to this box. I think I want to say I started in February or March of last year, and I haven't been disappointed. Some things I haven't even tried yet, so let's take a look here. What's in here? Okay, so this is what the box looks like, and it gives you how to use it. So it looks like there's a little container in here, which maybe then you just go ahead and put the ampules in to use that. So I will read that more thoroughly, but it says Perfect Glow Hydration. And as I mentioned before, I live in Arizona, so we can definitely use hydration here. All right, so there's that. Okay, oh, and this is heavy, so this must be the full-size product. I don't think there's anything else in there. Oh, this is nice, a daily cleansing gel with salicylic acid and papaya enzymes, and this is 4.85 fluid ounces, and it is heavy. So it says dampen face and squeeze a dime-sized amount into hands, apply to face and work into lather, massage for 30 seconds, rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Use in the morning and evening. So let's take a look at this. Okay, it is sealed. So I'm going to open that up. Take a look. I've never received a face gel this big before. Okay, so let's take a look. That's nice. Nice presentation. So daily cleansing gel. Let's see. So it is a pump. Let's see what it smells like. So this is what it looks like. Smells good, like a little, maybe that salicylic acid. It has like a grapefruit type of citrus scent. So that's good. So again, in this box, this is the December 2021. So this is the full size daily cleansing gel. It's the Dermstore's brand right here. So that's nice. Definitely use that. We also received this sample, Ren Evercom Global Protection Day Cream, a ½ ounce. And we also received this Repair Intense Eye Therapy. Could always use that. And that is from Neostrata. And then we also received this. Looks like it says Sente Treatment 0.33 Dermal Contour Pressed Serum. So you could always use serum. So it looks like this is the last one. It's the Perfect Glow, the 7 ampules. We'll also give this a try. So it's 4 samples and then this one full-size cleansing gel. And what I like about it is that you get to test out. What they send you is from different companies. So you get to check out these before you, let's say you wanted to go ahead and try them out in the full size. And I want to say that it's probably just a little bit over $30 for the monthly subscription. I think if you probably just want to try out one box, it might be a little bit more. But if you get the subscription box, the monthly subscription, you can get to, you get that at a discounted rate, as with most subscription boxes. So again, this is the Dermstore, the Beautyfix. And if you have any questions, just let me know. But as I said, I do like getting the subscription box, and I'm going to continue on with it. So I hope you like this video. Any comments, leave them below, like and share, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye.